Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've not filmed much lately. I've just been really busy with work. When I have been off from work, the weather's been a bit pathetic. I did, however, try to film me fitting the polycarbonate windows a couple of weekends back. It was lovely and sunny. It was windy as hell, so you couldn't hear anything. It was just one of those things, and I deleted the footage. Spat the dummy basically. So yeah, I'm inside tonight. It can rain all at once, it can be windy all at once, it's not bothering me. Nice and indoors, away from all that rubbish. In one of the previous videos I said about possibly stripping the loom down and keeping it. I'm going to do that tonight. So yeah, hopefully I don't bore you doing this. I'm going to start off by cutting the 3 plugs I'm not interested in keeping, to do with windows and the switches. And the speaker wire. And then just strip all this down and get rid of the wires that's not needed. This is what I'll be keeping for central locking and stopping the car from moaning at me that the door's open. I have to try and find out. I need to try and find out what pins to link at so I don't get a door open alarm. But I've got a track day next month. The wiring diagram, I'm not the best at reading them, So I'm going to put that on the back burner until I figure out exactly what wires I need to link at. And I'll do that at a later date, but at least if I plug this back into the car, I'm not going to get annoyed with it screaming at me for the door being open. This is just loom type off eBay, nothing fancy. I'm just going to try and wrap it up the exact same way. It came off. There we have it. Stripped down loom, no window, wires in it, no speaker wires in it. Yeah, it's probably only going to be about a few grams lighter, but it's a lot neater, it's lighter, and it's only took me 15 minutes or so to do that, and it's pretty basic stuff, anyone can do that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope it didn't bore you too much, and hopefully I can get some more stuff filmed on the car when the weather improves a bit more. Cheers, bye.